Everybody, sorry I'm wearing glasses right now. The freedom out here is just too bright. So today we're gonna go ahead and get this thing a little cleaned up, ready for some amazing barbecue today as well as the rest of the summer. So let's go ahead and get started. First things first, I take out everything I keep in here. Let's put it on the side. Let's show this specifically right now. You see that normally this can get pretty dirty. This actually looks right now fairly clean because I normally keep it cleaned after and before each cook. If you wanted to, I would take this inside in the kitchen sink, do a very good scrubbing on this individual each bar, dry it inside, bring it back out for ready to cook on it, and make sure too you clean your kitchen sink afterwards. That's a pro tip right there. Lift this out like that and put it to the side. Take the big pieces out of the bottom. Alright, so normally you would see this would be a lot more filled with ash just from the normal cooks you're going to do throughout the summer, throughout the fall and winter. What you do is get a shot vac, which I have behind me, I'll use in just a little bit, and vacuum all that out. But before you do that, you want to clean the sides as well as the there's the top as well, because that also gets dirty, as you can see. So what I do is take tin foil, just like that, and use it as a scrub brush all around the whole entire barbecue. So it's going to do that now. And one more. Get the inside top. It's kind of hard to see from the camera angle and also from the lighting, but I'm just doing the exact same thing, just scrubbing the top of it, because you can get some soot and ash buildup on the top as well. Now we have the top cleaned as well as the inside. Got the shop vac hose and suck up the rest. See, it's good and clean at the bottom, all along the sides. The ash buildup is all gone. It's vacuumed out and scrubbed off with the tin foil. I'm going to put the charcoal we had. Don't want to throw this away because it's still good charcoal and good wood to use for the next cook. Put it back in there. There you go. Let's close the lid down and scrub the outside. Here we have a cloth and a all-natural cleaner. And it is simply as easy as spraying and scrubbing. And just like that, on this beautiful day, we have a clean barbecue ready to go, or ready to cook on. You don't always have to have a whole bunch of chemicals and scrubbers and scrapers to get your barbecue clean. Sometimes you just need a little bit of elbow grease and some suction. That's all we did today. We have it behind me, ready to go. Any questions, please let me know. Please let my sous chef know. And thanks for stopping by, and stay tuned for some more amazing videos. Cheers.